Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. How are you guys doing? Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I've been doing another reaction video to the group Now United. This is long overdue. Multiple people have told me to react to different introduction to the members of the group, so I'm finally getting into it. So this first video I'm doing from Now United is to meet the group as a whole. Then I'm going to eat separate, I think it's like 45 minutes of each member. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to come back to this group. Yes. Come on. Presents.
Now United is a group of 14 different kids from 14
Come on,
different
Noah.
countries coming together just to celebrate music. Let's get it started. Let's go.
Hey, let's get the party.
I never heard about a project like this.
Yes, Germany. They be having some good movies in Germany.
The whole idea, and it's very innovative,
Ooh.
very creative. People from all over the world singing songs that bring happiness to people.
Of course, I could hear the buzz.
And sing.
UK, hi.
I know you feel it like I feel it, it's the right time.
Now United for me, it's a big, amazing project. It's
Ooh.
been like a symbol of the friendship and love.
Oh.
It's been the best experience.
Come on,
of
Mexico.
my life. It's just a dream.
Out the sunroof, we can catch a summer vibe. Here with me, it's all
The thing that excites me about Now United is just the fact
Philippines,
that this is the first
P-pop.
time this has ever been done in history.
Barely.
I thought about the concepts of Now United, and I thought this is perfect.
Yes,
for what
Canada.
we're doing now.
My Commonwealth country as well.
Now United is gonna do is amazing because you're gonna unite kids from different countries, like young people
Finland.
who follow their dreams, and they do it with people who are totally different from them, but they still are the same. And
Okay.
perform in front of the world on a same stage with same feeling.
Come through,
of
India.
love.
You better
It's very
represent.
good for the world.
Love Bollywood. Yes.
I was so happy when Simon said we can represent Africa.
Ooh.
It can open like Africa with the world.
Feel some weight. Come on, Storm.
I feel like Now United is going to be the future because it's just about everything.
South Korea, love your drama. Love your drama series.
ナウユナイテッドの日本代表に選ばれて誇りに思います。
Konnichiwa. Watashi wa.
I saw myself on Now United and traveling.
Yes,
the whole world
Brazil.
with my
Yes.
flag inside.
Yes, Brazil.
I didn't know I was gonna be in this new international pop group called Now United, but I've been preparing for it for my
Come
whole
through,
life.
China. You take it the right way.
We need to change the world. We need to show to people that we all need to be together. Everybody speaks in the different languages and sometimes it's difficult. But we have music and dance.
私は英語が喋れなくて、その分なんか言葉が通じないとかすごい大変なこともあるけど、ダンスで伝えられたこともあったので、ダンスの力ってすごいなって思います。
Yes.
All gonna have our phones with us and start posting everything, and there's gonna be no filter really. So I feel like it's gonna be really real and relatable.
It's so sweet. Apple juice. Yes. Okay. So as you guys can see, that was different members from across the pond, across the world. Now united, you have US, Canada, Mexico, Senegal, UK, Finland, Russia, German, Philippines, China, South Korea, and Japan. and India, and Lebanon. So that was Now United. Like I said it over before, I like this group. I think this group is very talented, and I love the message that they all could come together. Music and entertainment is a powerful thing. It really do put ones together. As always, I want to say thanks for the person who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.